Sometimes we need to work with our model using a different coordinate system defined. This is very useful when measuring the center of mass or other physical properties. Coordinate systems can also be very useful when assembling parts together, or if you're using a third-party CAM software as plugin establishing a work offset. To get started with that, let's go up to Features, come up to Reference Geometry, and come down here to Coordinate System. All you need to do is define one point. So notice you see the point here is the origin, predefined, but I want to use this point here. So I'm going to click on this point, and notice as soon as I click on that point there, the coordinate system moves there, and I got an X, Y, and a Z. Now I can move that around, so I want the X going to the right, I would like the Y going back, and I want the Z facing up, so I'm going to flip that direction. So I'll make sure that the Z is facing up, the X is going that way, and the Y is going that way. Now I've defined that nice coordinate system there, and I can click OK to define it. Now I can define as many coordinate systems as I'd like, depending on what I'm doing. But in this case here, I can always just go back up here to a new coordinate system. But once you've established that coordinate system, now you can use it to find out some information about the model, like the center of mass. Let's go to Evaluate, and come up here to Mass Properties. So Mass Properties, by default, uses the default coordinate system. And notice I get the center of mass here, here, and here, are X 0, Y of 3.55, and Z of 0. But if I switch to coordinate system 1, notice all those values change because those values are in relation to where the center of mass is according to this coordinate system 1. So it's a quick way to move things around and evaluate them on the basis of that new coordinate system. SolidWorks provides a nice feature to redefine the local coordinate system used in your model. In fact, you can assign multiple coordinate systems based upon your needs and switch between any of them at will.